Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our reaction channel, Broskis and Sisters. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips. We basically just chill, laugh, and have a nice time, only on some positive vibe. You feel me? We don't do too much over here, man. We are back with another video. We're reacting to Shits and Gigs funny moments on TikTok. If you don't know who these gentlemen are, Fuhad and James from the Shits and Gigs and Gigs from the Shits and Gigs podcast, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. But anyways, let's go straight into the video and check out how and see if James is gonna be petty again.
I was riding him and he said,
I was literally about to read that same one. Go forth. Go forth.
I was riding him and he
Oh my god.
fuck man. All right.
It's not too funny.
Yeah. I was riding him and he said, am I gangster? Call me a gangster.
Yo.
Bro.
I just is that sexy talk for them? Is that like it just doesn't compute to me. Like if you have to force the girl or the guy to say something to you, it's just not sexy. Let it be authentic.
First of all, if I say, am I gangster? You better start running bars.
Facts.
I'm never going to say that.
Yeah, yeah,
But if
yeah,
I do,
yeah.
am I gangster? You better say some stuff.
Some dark, twisted stuff, some street stuff.
Yeah, you're a fucking gangster.
Yeah. You're the only person I roll with. Stay strapped.
Yeah, stay strapped.
Stay strapped.
I'm your lieutenant.
I need to protect and stay
Yeah.
strapped always. Yeah. I'll not. I swear.
Protect me always.
Gangster boo.
Oh, God.
Gangster boo. There. Okay.
When did you realize the relationship was over? When I called her and her mum answered saying, give up.
Bro, that's the funniest one I've heard in a while. It's the funniest response to an IG question I've heard in a while.
Just, hello, is Sharon there? Give up.
Give up.
Give up.
Hey, that.
Give up.
Boy, give up.
I would cry my little eyes out, Fiat. Give up.
Give up. Fuck.
I'd look at my phone twice thinking this is the wrong number.
A lie. The mum. He was eating me out and I couldn't stop thinking about getting my brake pads changed.
What?
She just wasn't present, bro.
Bro, I've been there. I'm not gonna
I
lie
have
to you.
been there.
I'm not gonna lie to
I
you.
have been there.
Fam, I've been getting slopped in my life just by a person I don't care about.
Yeah, yeah.
And I've been thinking, bruv, I wonder what Fuad's doing right now. Or my phone would be vibrating.
Yo, what the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? Nah, James is crazy, bro. James is how are you getting sloppy from a chick? And of all the things in the world, bro, the only thing you can think about is what it's your homie doing right now. What? Bro, nah, that's
And I've
funny,
been
bro.
thinking, I bet Warzone's popping.
I wonder what Fuhad's doing right now.
That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's really crazy.
I wonder what Fuad's doing. Because I'm obviously getting slopped. But what's he doing?
Yo, James is crazy, bro. Of all the things in the world, of everything you could have thought about, you're thinking about what Fuhad is doing. Man, nah, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. And yeah, I know how that feels, bro. Like getting top from a chick and you're not even there. Like you're not present. Your whole essence is not even there. I know how that feels, bro. But thinking about what Fuhad is doing is crazy. Shit.
Nigerians speak so poetic when they're upset. Bro,
We do.
some of these stories are fucking
Okay,
hilarious.
okay.
Instead of saying, I'm mad, they'll say, my enemies have succeeded. My Niger professor once said, they've made an assassination attempt on my life when he slipped on a piece of paper.
So dramatic. Assassination attempt.
Bro.
Oh.
A father to a misbehaving child. Your ears must be for decoration.
Wow.
Instead of saying he's full, My Nigerian friend says his waistband is suffering.
We are too poetic with it. We are too poetic with it.
His waistband is suffering.
Wow.
Shut up,
yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
Too poetic, bro. It's too funny. I asked my Nigerian friend if someone was trustworthy, and he said, for every 12, there's a Judas. Instead of saying someone is stupid, my Nigerian friend said, wisdom is chasing her, but she's faster.
Nah, Nigeria, bro.
My
we
dad,
will-
what will kill me has not yet been born.
Oh my God.
Whenever my dad decided he's not gonna whoop us, he'd say, today is your Christmas, but next time will be your Halloween.
Nah. Oh my God.
Bro, I swear, next time will be your Halloween.
These man are jokes.
Oh, bro.
Nah, see, as a Nigerian, bro, 100%, bro, 100%. That's just who we are, and how we do our own thing. You feel me? Not just our parents, bro, like everyone. And you do not have, you do not want to have a Twitter war or like a keyboard war or like troll any Nigerian, bro, because we will come for you. You feel me? If you troll one Nigerian, the whole Nigerian is coming for you, bro. So they know that they don't play with us on the internet, bro. Yeah, you can't play with us, but Nigerians, nah, bro. We're coming for you. Shit.
Meanest thing a woman has said to you. Why should I lower my standards so you can get a chance? Yeah?
Damn.
You can't talk down to me from that height.
No.
But James, this is the one for me. What did I tell you about speaking to me directly?
Stop.
2 words. What muscles?
No! No!
What muscles?
No, that's the final straw.
Your flirting game is as weak as your hairline.
Damn.
Fam, these man go banger after banger. I'm sorry. Someone said to start saying, I don't have change, sorry, when guys move to you outside.
Oh,
That's
imagine.
Sorry, I don't have change. My grade 8s asked me how many boyfriends I've had in my life, so I started counting. When I reached 4, one kid shouted, she's made for the streets! I told my 6-year-old we're having sandwiches for dinner. He told me he did too much homework to be eating sandwiches for dinner, you prick. My cousin caught her dude cheating. She put her iPhone in his car and did find iPhone and found the girl's address. My granny said, you're doing all this detective work. Imagine you went to college and applied yourself. Motherfuckers owe you a little money and start appearing offline on PlayStation. I'm sweating.
Nah, that one is crazy, bro. That one is crazy. Offline on PlayStation. That's crazy,
That's
bro.
worse lies you've told. I told him I work 7 days a week.
Bro, what? How do you work 7 days a week? No free day at all. Like you from Monday to Sunday and Monday to Sunday every day, every month, every year. What the fuck?
That's so simple yet so funny.
That's
Left the
bad,
drunk
bro.
voicemail thinking I was slick. These times I was en route to a hotel with a ting in a cab. I forgot to hang up.
Oh. Oh my God.
Yeah. Told her I fell down some stairs and had partial memory loss. I didn't know who she was. My granddad had just died and I can't leave his body on the kitchen floor.
What?
Oh my God.
That's so, it's literally so morbid. Told her I was dyslexic and couldn't find the name of her street.
Who the people tweeting out this tweet, bro. You guys are sick.
Meanest thing a woman has said to you. You're acting a little too tall for your actual height.
No. No. Nah. That's triggering.
Fam?
That's triggering. That's triggering.
I'm not bored enough to talk to you right now. Bye. I got with your dad so he can have a son he actually loves.
Wow. Wow. Nah, that's mad. That's literally mad, bro. That's literally. Imagine a girl saying that to you. Nah, that's just mad.
That's
Just remember, my friends call you which one?
Which one is crazy, bro?
the most.
you know how girls be having a dude for like they say a dude's name with literally anything, like a food, like the food guy, the taxi guy, the hair guy, the sex guy, the everything guy. So when you be like, which one are you inside? Oh, that's mad. That's mad.
Down bad thing you ever did. I found out her shoe size and I beat to that number in my head.
No,
Bro,
no,
it doesn't make sense.
Damn!
We switched school IDs, and when I got home, I started kissing her picture. I drew her in art class and I beat it to the drawing,
Yeah,
bro.
that's insanity.
I recorded her answering a question on a Zoom call class, and then the clap emoji with the moisturizer emoji. I took a picture of my cheeks and busted to it while imagining.
Nah, okay. I've seen this one before. This one was absolutely disgusting, bro. This one was so disgusting that I didn't even want to like listen to it.
It was hers.
No.
Yeah.
Since we have the exact same skin
No,
tone.
Nah,
that's disgusting. That's the worst one I've heard.
If that's actually true, if someone actually did that, bro, that person is sick, and you need to go to a mental hospital, bro. Like, who does that? What? That's disgusting, man.
Graduate of maths, but the story ain't adding up. Graduate of accounting, but you can't tell when your partner's losing interest.
Okay.
Graduate of music, but can't tell when she played you like a fiddle.
Oh,
Bro!
It's one of them.
Fam, someone couldn't speak to me like that. Graduate of maths, but you still can't get some. They're doing that. Yeah,
double
entendre. Graduated from plumbing, but you ain't figured out who's really laying pipe.
Pipe failure.
Don't speak to me like that.
Wow.
A graduate of archaeology can't say why she's digging in the past. Graduate of architecture still can't get her support.
That's the one. That's the one.
Yo, this jokes be funny, bro.
What's an insult you'll never forget? One of my students said that NASA is where they race cars, and another kid told him, "You are one of the dumbest MLK died for."
More TikTok X. When he's waiting for the lifeguard to let him go down the slide.
I saw that, brother. I saw that.
When he uses the chocolate box menu to pick a chocolate.
I like what I like in it.
Really?
Why is that in it, brother? I like what I like.
When you refer to the menu,
At the back,
looking for that truffle.
oh, let me be, cuz.
Oh, that's hilarious. This is me. I raise my hand. This is me. My name's been called. When he eats something hot and does the that's me to a T.
That's hilarious. I blow to my heart's content.
I think if you blow it more than thrice, ick. If you've got the ladle and the third, ick. Man up and slurp the thing, fam. Taste it.
Yo, I swear, I know a couple of guys who don't even blow, bro. Like it's like they have cola in their mouth. It's like the mouth they have a refrigerator or like a cola, bro. They just like scoop a spoonful of like a hot, it could be rice, and just choke it in their mouth, right? Me, I'm like, bro, these guys are just like nothing happened. Like it's not even hot. And I'm like, bro, do you have a cooler in your mouth? What is going on? Bro, nah, man. That's crazy.
When the automatic door doesn't open, so he has to do the quick back and forth. Walking up to a door that doesn't acknowledge you as a human is the most embarrassing thing.
What's the wildest thing you've overheard in a random conversation? Heard a guy chatting up a girl in the club say, "You bring up my girlfriend way too much."
Swear!
I'm trying to chirp.
Bro, shut up. Shut up. Yes, we know who she is.
Stop killing the vibe.
Wow.
I want to cheat, obviously.
Fact.
Shut up. God. She gets her head game from her mum. That's for damn sure.
What? Who said this?
I overheard my mum say to my dad, "I like the way you performed last night." That made me so sick.
Yeah, I can't hear stuff like that. Have some self-respect.
So there I was, whipped cream on my, and then he came back in with sausages.
Man was lost in it. He just ran to the fridge and just started getting
Everything. He took everything from the fridge. There's a wedding, right?
I know what you're gonna say. Homeboy was getting breastfed
By his
mum.
Yeah.
Wow.
What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Wait, hold on. Nah, that's so weird, bro. That's so weird. That is weird. That is really weird.
Getting everything. He took everything from the fridge. There's a wedding, right?
I know what you're gonna say. Homeboy was getting breastfed
By his
mum.
How? How? Why? Like, why? Why? It doesn't make sense. How do you get breastfed by your mom at that age, fam? What? Why? Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. On your wedding day, you're just walking around and then you bump into a room where your groom to be or your husband to be is getting breastfed by his mother. Earth-shaking experience.
That opens up a world of questions. I wouldn't know how to address the audience.
If I'm the feeder, no one's addressing me,
Yeah,
no one's
yeah.
talking to me,
Yeah.
I'll wipe my mouth, I'll walk out. Why should I deal with you? lot?
Yeah.
I know I'm sick.
Yeah, I've lived this life secretly for 35 years now.
Yeah. Now the secret's out. You think I'm not willing to relocate?
Yeah.
You think I didn't have contingencies?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. You man think I didn't expect this to happen
You
one
must
day.
have thought I didn't need my milk. Say
Yeah.
less. Say less.
You man thought I was in control of the thirst.
Yeah.
The thirst in control of me.
We're here now.
Yeah, my flight to Maui leaves in 10.
Bye.
Literally bye. I'm not explaining it.
Nah, the way these guys actually make a very crazy situation look like mild and everything, bro. The way they make everything look so like easy and so simple, it's crazy, bro. Damn, nah, that's mad. How a grown ass man getting breastfed by his mom? That is I don't even think her mom has milk anymore. Where would the milk come from? I don't think he was being breastfed by his mom. I just think he was just licking his mom's nipple, bro. Because if you say let's say the dude is about 30 years old or something. Let's just say assume he's 30 years old, right? There is no way his mama is still able to produce milk from her titties, right? So he wasn't being breastfed. He was just sucking his mom's nipples, bro. And that is sick. That is sick, bro. Nah, that is sick.
Have you ever had a racist experience that was funny though? Was looking at the Taco Bell side of the menu, trying to figure out what to order. This little white cashier pointed to the KFC menu and said, "The chicken's on this side."
No. That's crazy.
That's crazy, bro. You make minimum wage. Why are you risking your life like this?
Someone asked me, why are black people so good at Mortal Kombat?
I was having a bad hair day,
Yeah.
so I covered it with a scarf. Someone on the bus, thinking it was a hijab, snatched it off. With the reveal of my half-done box braids and visible shock, he then said, "Oh," and then tried to put the scarf back on me.
After violating me, you're trying to
Violating
help
me.
I said, oh, sh.
Oh,
Nah, but see, even if it was an actual hijab, like gives you the right to just pull it off someone's head? Like what is wrong with you people, bro? What is wrong with you people? Like the fuck is wrong with you?
Damn.
I thought this was a different
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. I thought I was been a different kind of race.
I lied. My bad. My bad. They trying to put it back.
Yeah, nah, that's crazy, bro. Like, how you just gonna pull up someone's scarf? And even if it was a hijab, like, why? Like, you get me? Man, some of you people are crazy, bro. But anyways, that's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I love these dudes, bro. These dudes, they're funny. They're together as a unit. They're funny as hell, bro. I like them. Uh, so that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I hope I'll see you guys on the next videos, man. We're on our way to 1,000. We almost on 500, man. That's crazy. I appreciate you guys, man. And if you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, you know what to do. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy weekends, and we out.